Hello guys. A lot of you have been asking me about how to get the zone and all that. Okay, so I'm just going to go straight to the point. Now to get the zone in is very easy, and you could do this easily by two-step. You could either take one of the two-step. If you can't find the zone easily, what you want to do is change this to a line chart. Okay, and then you will have to be using the 15-minute time frame. Okay, you use the 15 minutes time frame to get your zones. Okay, so now all you have to do is zoom out. So you can see I've already taken all the zones for this, right? Taking the zones for this, and apart from this here, okay, but you can see I took this zone because of this part here. You can see this resistance here showing there's a resistance at this point, a support at this point, and resistance here. I can see this part up here. Okay, so you can see a double top. So you can see these sharp edges. I consider them to be very important point. Now if you zoom back, you see the same here, here. So once I take this level, it came back, and here you see I had another very good trade from this point right here. So I take this using the line chart, and I can always go back to my candlestick chart. Okay, so you can do this on all pairs guys. So let's take for example GPBUSD. So I've done this for a couple of pairs, like all my major pairs. Even if I'm not trading that pair for that day, I do this on the trading view, and also on my MT4. Okay, so you can see this is not loaded right now. As soon as it gets loaded, you see all the lines. So I can see this is a very good spot. So I could have one here. It's as easy as that, guys. Remember, you're using the 15 minutes. So I'll have one here. I think this is about to load. Sorry guys, my network is a bit slow, so it's taking a lot of time to load. But you could easily just use your 15-minute chart, line graph. Okay, you can use your line chart, right? So you can see them now clearly, right? There's a resistance here. You can see this level here. So you have to just, but before you take those lines, you have to go back to previous days, like 1 week, 2 weeks back, and take those lines, because those are the lines that will be active for today and tomorrow and the whole of the week, right? Now for the trade I had today, which is Euro JPY, well, it happens not to be moving right now, but I know it's a buy trend. All I have to do is apply proper risk management, and I taught you guys about risk management and all that. And you can see this also applies to cryptos. I mean, any crypto at all. Okay. Okay. So, but for this particular trend right here, you have to change back to the candlestick chart. Okay. Now, if I zoom in, and I just want to show you guys what I use. If I don't use the line chart, the next thing I do to find my support and resistance, because you have to use the two. You have to use these levels, and you have to use your supply and demand zones. Now this is a very good zone, and that's exactly why I used it. Because I remember this is still the 15-minute. Now, see there's a buy candle here, a buy, then a single sell, right? And a buy, and then it goes on like that. So you can see an impulse move, and then it slowed down, and then it continued up. So this will be a very good zone for me. So I mean, just this candle, I could check the whole length of the candle or just the body of that candle, right? So once I take that, I'll pick up my horizontal line. Now you could either pick up your horizontal line. So let me just delete everything here and take out this so you'll be able to see clearly. So you can see there's an impulse movement. So I could take out this candle here. So it could either be at the top here, that's just the body of the candle, and then I have my zone for this. So if I zoom to this point, you can see how this particular level has been respected for the day. Since I know I have a buy market, and then the market opened at this point, went up a little, and today is Monday. So I think the market is trying to form the low for the week, because for the rest of the week I expect the market to keep buying and buying. So what I expect from this market is to come up, take out this level, and if I go to a higher time frame, let's say the 4 hours, try to look for more levels if there are. Okay, try to look for more levels. I zoom out and I'll try to predict how far this will go. So you can see I expect this to take out this level, right here on the 4 hours. Now I can't see any more candles because this is not loading, right? So if I move backwards, so you can see this level has been taken out right here. It's already been taken out. It's still be taken out again. Okay, go to a higher time frame, maybe the weekly. Now you do this on all pairs, guys. Any pair you're trading, just do this. And I'm going to be showing you guys a very quick secret on how to know what pair you intend to trade for the day, what you actually want to trade for the day. Now, you can see at this level, I know a lot of people are feeling this market should sell, but this is not going to be forming an M pattern anytime. So I still expect the euro to be strong, both euro USD, euro JPY, and any other pair carrying the euro. So I expect this trade to come to this level, at least take out this level, which it hasn't yet. So you can see I have a level here. Now one more up here, right? So I expect this to come and take out this level, and probably there might be a little bit of pullback. So those are the levels I'm looking at. So I come back to my 15 minutes chart. And these are on any other pair I'm trading for the day. Okay, this is taking a bit long. Sorry guys, network is very poor. Alright, let me try the Euro USD. Alright guys, so this is the Euro USD. So I had this line set up like, I think from last night. So this line has been there. I haven't even checked, though I didn't really trade any USD pair, but you can see it still respected those levels, came to this level and then this level. So all you have to do, if you want to take your chart or your line, your zone, the first thing you need to do is change this to a line chart. Okay, so you change it from a candle chart to a line chart. So you can see this is a very good reversal point, so you take note of that. All you have to do is take your horizontal line. You can either do it that way, goes way back, or you could do it this way. Just take this out and fix one, and then we have the second here, right? So we can see another level right here. So we could put this was a level that was respected a lot. Remember, it's a zone. You're not just taking a single line, using two lines, right? So you can see here, this point right here, also a very good zone to work with, right? And now we have this. Also this, and the last is at the top here. Okay, so if you want to know track where you took your zones from, you could just use this, which is the horizontal ray. Okay, so it doesn't go way back, so you'll be able to know exactly where you got your zones from. So you can see this particular spot was respected here, then came back, same spot at 3, and then now for today. And since I'm still expecting the Euro USD to buy, I could have my entry here. But if I'm trading the Euro USD, I'm going to be waiting for the London Open, because that's the part where we have a lot of movement on the Euro USD. So I could always go back to my line candle chart and wait. So let's say I want to trade this pair, I will have to wait till morning, or for if I wish to trade it right now, I could take my trade at this point and then expect my trade on a higher time frame to cross to this level. If I'm still expecting a buy on the USD, so I'm expecting this trade to go right up and take this level out. But this wouldn't happen in a day, so I'm expecting this to happen over the week. And from what I've seen, the low of the weekly candle was just formed, so I'm expecting the rest of the week to be bullish. Okay, so same thing applies for USD CAD, USD JPY. Okay, so this is USD CAD pair, same principle, because I already have my levels set up, right? So you could, wow. So see, if I was online and this level came, this was a very good setup right here. All I have to do is wait for my setup, since I know I'm selling the USD CAD for the day. Now, my point is, anytime I tell you guys the market is gonna sell or is gonna buy, because I remember telling you guys the CAD pair was strong, and for the rest of the month, I still expect USD CAD to sell. My point is, I'm not saying USD CAD is not going to buy. It might, because as you can see today, there was a buy, but this, I consider this as corrections, and I don't buy in a sell market. So I let the market play out whatever it has to play out, and I look for short position. So if I'm trading and I'm taking low risks, I could sell here, and then it moves up, I could sell here. And by the time it's here, I'm having two positions and I'm winning on both. So basically, stick to the direction of the market. Now I'm going to be showing you guys a short secret. Let's go to trading view. Okay, if you want to get the direction of the market, like I do, there's a short way to do it, apart from using the daily FX, trying to understand the strength of the market. So I'm just going to wait for this to load up. Alright guys, I'm still finding it hard to load that page, so I guess I'll have to wait tomorrow. I'm trying to make that video explain to you guys how to get the market direction also. But for now, please just watch this and try and apply everything I just taught you here. Like I said, just apply the line chart, and then take your levels. Alright guys.